Hey guys, I show you full Korean makeups today, and let's start. At first I apply concealer on my full face and I take a nude red color lipstick and I apply my eye. You can see uh, this is for eyeshadow, and I apply my cheek. This is for blush. You can use the more. ah, and then I apply a toner on my full face. ah, you can see this is very hot, and I use the puff on my eyeshadow. Tap 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 tap. ah and tap 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 for my blush. You can use the bold, and the result is very more. And then I use the highlighter on my eyeshadow plate. I use the nose and cheek, apply uh, and apply my eyebrow corner, and then apply my lips on red lipstick. This is very hot. And then I use the concealer my on my lip corner. You can see this is a very easy and secret lip lip use, looking a Korean lip. And puff and tap 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 on my lip. Yeah, you can see this is very dry, and I wet cotton use my lip. You can see the result. Wow, if you like my videos, so like